What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fishing Works. I'm Will, your host for the day, and we are going to dive into part 2 of me and Kyle's little kayak adventure. If you have not seen part 1 and you want to see like 100 fish caught on a frog, go watch that. I'll throw it somewhere. It'll be in the description. Go watch that first. All right, so that was earlier in the morning. This is a little bit later in the day, kind of mixed in some parts too. But this is just such a different tactic from what I was doing with the frog that I thought it should be a whole separate video. So basically what this is me throwing this exact mag draft right here that is absolutely gnarled and is now a relic, a memory of that day. Pulled the harness out, it's totally destroyed. And obviously not all of those fish are in this video because then it would be like 3 hours long. But I put a lot of the good ones in there that earlier in the day when they were biting really good. After this video ends here, I continued to throw it throughout the day and caught some more fish on it, but not anything big. I talked about it a little bit right at first, but what I was doing with this is just, there's a hole at this particular lake. There's strips of islands that run throughout the lake, and basically I was throwing this up into the ditches in between the islands, and those fish were just stacked in there and they wanted to hit a swim bait, and you could see absolutely choking it all the way down, hitting it head first, and it was pretty incredible. And biggest one was about 4.5, so nothing crazy, but a good fish. But mostly everything from that 2 to 3 pound range they're thick, healthy fish, Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy, and stay tuned to figure out how this happens.
There's one. On the mag draft. Whew, dancing. Jeez, dude, calm down. Don't hook me. Come here. Bait's in the way, hook's in the way. Nice. First one on the swim bait. Totally cranked it, man. It's right in that little channel over there. Little gap in the island here. Bank is a little bit more open, doesn't have as much slop on it, so figured I'd throw the swim bait. And there you go. Sweet. See, bud? Next cast. Another one. Literally the next cast. Water is beautiful, man. These fish are beautiful, and they are trying to kill me also. Guess I can't blame them. That sounds a little skinnier. All been within that 2 pound range so far. I know there's big ones though. Throwing big bait, so hopefully we'll get one. Here's one. Yeah, I think there's a lot of fish back in this stuff. Ooh. Man, I like reaching for these fish. They don't give up. Especially with a big old treble hook in their mouth. Now the magrat fish, what is that, 9, 10, something like that. Oh, missed it. Jeez, Will, it's quite the hook set. Just didn't get it. Hit it again, hit it again. Yep, hit him that time. Oh, he's running at me. Oh, that's a good fish. Awesome fish. Oh, there's another one. There's another one trying to eat it. There's another one chasing him. Holy crap. There's another one about the same size trying to get it from his mouth. That's probably the biggest one of the day. 2.5, probably. A heavy 2. Oh yeah, that's an awesome fish right there. Oh, y'all can't see. Yeah. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, there's a lot of fish in this area right here. Definitely gonna keep throwing this swim bait. Hoping a big one's gonna find it. Yep. Here's one. Ooh, that must be a better one. Oh, he's hung up. Oh no, that's a good one. That's a good one. That is a good one. Oh yeah. Dude, choked the mag draft. Absolutely choked it. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's probably 4.5. Starts raining. Gosh, dude. I mean, it's gone. Absolutely choked it. I got her in the tongue. So it's bleeding a little bit. So let her go really quick. Nice. Well, I was fishing some deeper wood and stuff, and I just wasn't getting bit, so I really think they're just on the bank right now. That's a good one right there, though. She's bleeding. I'm gonna let her go. When you hook a fish in the tongue, always want to keep it in the water as much as you can when you're handling it, and let her go as soon as possible. Fish's blood only coagulates inside of water, so they won't stop bleeding if you keep them out of the water. And I need to retie after that one. Awesome though. Finally a good fish. Totally sweet. Totally sweet. I'm gonna retie and get after him. Alrighty, retied. Ready to go. I need to get out of this stuff. The wind's picking up over here. God, there's so many ducks in here. They are everywhere. That's crazy. Oh, that was another good one, man. Shook me off there. Damn. Probably a 3-pounder. Oh, he's gonna hit again. God, dude, they're annihilating it. Like, he's got it head first down there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, gosh. Yeah, I think I'm figuring it out with this, man. They are just absolutely crushing this mag draft. He had all 3 treble hooks in the back corner of his mouth. Beautiful fish. Awesome. See you, dude. Now that the sun's coming out, I'm watching them eat the mag draft. That's pretty sweet. Oh, I got a mouthful of it too. I think a lot of these are fry garters back in here. Ow. Little guy. Another one. Kyle's got one too. They're back in this creek. Here, dude. There we go. Back in the water. Right at me. It's fighting hard. There's a good one. Sweet. There's one.
You have it again, Carol?
I do, but I didn't bring it. There you go on the mag draft. There's a gar eating it. Oh, that's a bass though. Probably another one. Dude, they're freaking fat back here. These are the healthiest ones I've caught all day. That dude is thick. Right before that, gar literally had it in its mouth. I was watching, he was just swimming with it.
All right, everybody. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for part 3, where that sun got up. You can see at the end of this video, it started getting hot. And so we put the top waters and the moving baits away, and I started flipping, and it was off the chain, folks. Stay tuned. I absolutely cracked them. So part 3 is on the way. Thanks for watching, guys.